Alright guys, in this video we're going to go over step 2 on how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you read the instructional, then you should know that the placement of this is the white face on the bottom. And since we know that yellow is the opposite of white, we want the yellow face on top. Now there are no yellow pieces here, but there will be. So when there are no, in the case that you have no yellow pieces, if you read the instructional tells you that on your left hand side you want a yellow bar, which is the case right here. So now we follow the algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now we have one yellow piece. So basically what we're gonna do now is when you have one, in case you have one, you put it as your bottom left piece of your top face. So same algorithm applies. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now you have the yellow piece set up. Now let's say a case where all I simply did was undo. Now let's say in the case where you have two yellow pieces on top. If that's the case, then what you want to do is you want to have them be your top left and top right, executing the same algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now it's just, now you have it on the side. So case where you have it on the side, case where you have a bar, you put it on your left hand side: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now you have a bottom left piece. Same thing: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now you have it solved. Now, why did I undo that? I simply undid so that way I could show y'all all the possible cases. So you have either two on top, you can have either none on the top face, but you have a bar on the left hand side, or if you don't, position your cube so it's on the left hand side, or you have diagonals. If you have, then you just simply want to have one on the bottom left. All right, thank you guys. If you see any value in this, like and subscribe. If you haven't seen my video, if you don't understand the cube notation, I have a video for that. All right, thank you guys.